Your car can vibrate, shake, and create various types of noises for different reasons. One such problem is rattling noise when accelerating. If particularly happen when you accelerate the engine, you can pin down the problem of the common failure of several components. The first reason is the transmission fluid level. Knowing that it's not a major issue, but you would want to check it to rule out the obvious cause. The fluid should exactly be at the level instructed in the owner's manual. Low level of fluid is one of the reasons for causing rattling noise when accelerating. It's a simple issue with a simple fix, but the consequence could be outright scary. Reason number 2 is the torque converter. A bad torque converter could be the origin of rattling noise when accelerating at low speed. It will be a faint sound when the car is idling on park mode, but the volume and frequency will increase in proportion to acceleration. It could indicate the last stage of converter's life. If this happens, you should take the vehicle to a repair shop as soon as possible. The engine mount on the passenger side could be another obvious culprit. Its failure could lead to the rattling noise when accelerating. A ruptured mount will leak fluid everywhere, so if you see dark lines of dripping oil underneath or on the frame next to the side mount, take it to a mechanic. Sometimes it's hard to determine the failure just by looking at it, especially if there is no stain of oil. You will need to have it diagnosed by a professional in that case. The fourth reason could be the heat shields. These components act as thermoreflective barrier between the exhaust system and other parts including gas tank, fuel lines, and the cabin of a car. When they are loose or broken, they fail to completely block the heat transfer to these key areas. As a result, you will hear frightening rattles at higher speeds. You have to inspect the exhaust system to find out if heat shields are causing the rattling noise in the car when accelerating. However, do it only when the engine is off for several hours. The exhaust pipe and some other parts remain hot even hours after switching the engine off. The speed of these pulleys escalates with the engine speed. If they are slightly bent or loose, the metal-on-metal contact will create a terrifying rattling sound when accelerating. Open the hood and inspect the Vbelt when the engine is off and running. If a pulley is bad, the belt will show damage on the form of right sides. If the accessory drive system is the root that car makes a rattling noise when accelerating, you can remove the belt and spin each of the pulleys to see if any one feels loose.